Good morning, good morning, good morning to everybody on this YouTube app in this diaspora. Why the week just start. Today Wednesday already. I done the week out for done, you know. You see it? That's why nobody know when God a come. Time I get so short. So you have to prepare for the soon and becoming king of this world, of this universe. Yeah man, you have to prepare for it, man. You look on it. It's like yesterday was Sunday. And look like today a Wednesday. I skip the week skip. Me don't know. But to it I move fast, trust me. Midweek already, today Wednesday. Anyway, I don't know if you're not righteous with the Lord, not forget righteous. And my stance towards that, me don't know. This is just my opinion. You're not in a church, but you're in a congregation. Them talk about worship in the place of the Lord. Oh, you know the church is the place of the Lord. So what, your house, your bedroom, your living room, your bathroom, your dining room, your washroom, just your yard space under the tree or so, is not the space of the Lord? Me want to understand. How many church started from like under one little tree in our yard space? Everywhere is the place of the Lord. It's your belief. Yeah man, it's your belief. All you have to do is get yourself righteous. Get within yourself righteous. Don't come out here like Curly and speak as if you're, righteous and you're doing everything in the sight of the Lord. And you only do and say things whenever time you need to get things done or need to see things done or you need to see some benefits. You come out here and do this. And then even in the midst of doing it, when you check the levels, few minutes later, you gone back and do the devil work. You understand me? I say to the people? Remember, back in November, December come right up. Curly just church. I wasn't between the new year. Somewhere there so. Every Sunday Curly gone to church. At one time Curly had to go to church 2 times a day that she admits say she never go to church 2 times a day yet. But this a church a nice master. I know the church nice. I know the worshiping of the Lord nice. It's 2 things. You're earning. Because you go there and you go do video and vlog down the people them church and what pastor do and the rest of people them. You earn from it from YouTube because it becomes a content for you. 2, you're in a desperate stress need. So what you do now? You cry out to God as many of these people have done. But as soon as you achieve what you feel like you want to achieve, or you're back on your foot because you're off your foot when you're running to the church and I praise God. Rasta man get up every day and him say Selassie. Him no know no God. I just Selassie him know. But as trouble take him and him in up all of the hospital and pain touch him no ball out. Lord Selassie. Him ball out. Jesus help me. Father God take me out of them pain. Yeah. Him now say Selassie take him out of the pain. Father God. So are you that? Alright? So people don't just get to themselves righteous. You don't have to go to church, but just don't know say when you get up and pray to the Father God and believe. You don't have to get up like some people and call upon God every day and every little thing. Yeah, your neighbor in a little argument. Jesus! Hallelujah, I rebuke you. As you come out to your gate, you see a little man over there, so have a little domestic. You come out, Jesus! I don't like hearing them, the people there. I tell you honestly, say if you don't over here on a son of team, I don't like hearing them. I feel like say Uno a pretender. The people them every little thing you hear them come out a ball upon Jesus. And I go at them and get in a spirit. I feel like them people are pretender. Honestly, my feelings that from me a boy I grew up. I never like hear everything. You're digging some people and every damn thing happen for the day them come out and cry out and call out upon Jesus. Like them holier than nobody else. So are you alone Jesus have time for? Jesus have time for nobody else. So you don't have to be like that. If you know say you don't believe. You don't know if you go to church so you serve him. You don't know with car. Remember God is within us. So going into the church and all them sitting there. You don't know. I just not believe that way they say that have to prove say yes you're a Christian. Simple as that. Anyway, everybody have them different opinion and thing about it. So I can't force them, but that's my opinion. But I want to know at the end of the day, if you don't believe in the Almighty, me believe in Him. Whichever way and whichever route me want to take to say me believe in Him, whichever lane or street, if you don't take the highway and me take the byway, at the same place we have, because the two of we believe in us that we have a different opinion on the whole situation. Just like the Church of God, the 7th day, what the one name, Jehovah Witness, the Catholic, everybody have them different opinion where the Bible is concerned. Alright? Anyway, you know what they do? We are getting our video here with Marcia. Marcia come out hard against Bam Bam. I don't know what Bam Bam have said. I noticed Bam Bam do 2 videos the other day where I see the title, I list one at a time and get a call and that left. And I think I remember the same one me I scroll and see last night or this morning. So I don't know what Bam Bam have said, but she said she there home and she must in her bathroom a bed. And somebody call her and tell her, oh, Bam Bam over there on her name. And she come out, come class Bam Bam, bruh. She come out, come class up Bam Bam. Yes, man, tell Bam Bam about her husband, this, her Tara not, her Wara not, and all kind of sitting. But you know, in the same video, Marcia come out, come expose herself. The whole of out here, Marcia says she rent place. And if I'm not mistaken, to how Marcia talk, she talk like she rent 2 places. Because I remember recently Marcia said she go to one of her storage where she have an apartment. Right? And I think that apartment was the apartment that she said she buy the furniture them and have the new furniture them in her. And she said she have the apartment against her one small storage where she have. The apartment is just a few meters away. Plus one big 2-bedroom where she claimed to say she rent. Plus the recent one where she claimed to say, I don't know if upon the same property where the people them rent and give her the space so she can have to live, where she come and show off with, where we are say a hotel or whatsoever. If it's the people them at the same home she there or what. But I can remember clearly about this 2-bedroom plus the place where she said the near our smallest storage where she have, because I don't know what she had with so much storage. The money where you take a pay for storage could have rent one place. So she come out, come expose herself, say she not own nowhere, she not rent nowhere, you know, she not nowhere rent right now, you know. And yes, so she there, and yes, so she has to stay wife is she for waste money and pay 1,800, 2,000, 3,000 for rent when she can stay right there, so. But all along Marcia boast how she have her place rent. And Marcia still a try putting the people. As a matter of fact, probably on my head because she can't put no phone on her head because I don't know more. So these furniture stores she talk about, because I soon in the comment enough time I say, I lie, them now hold no furniture for you. Once you pay for it, you have to come take it. Which I know, if you don't pay for the furniture and you don't go for it, you have to go pay storage or something for it. Because sell the people themselves clear for put in stock. So all your things are going to hold up. And the people them don't know when you are going to get somewhere and come for your furniture. So who don't know better than me, still probably I mean she a try to trick because she said the furniture plate people them tell her, say, don't worry Miss Campbell, whenever time you're ready you can come for them, they will be here, we will keep them for you. I mean you wanna say the furniture store not do that. So I jump into the video and make on hear and I say so. So you know what they do, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me on TikTok Life is a Mission TV. And remember now, please go and support the merch and the website of Charms and Trends. Right? The t-shirts are over there, caps are over there, tumblers, you name it. Anything you see over there, you can get it customized to your liking. Maureen, big up yourself. My God, you love you something where you see. So, you don't know when it land, you just package it on your t-shirt and then you can send the person to come collect it. Alright, sis? Big up yourself for your daily support, you know? Yes, man. So, I'm just run up on the website and support. When I don't support, you know, I use the support that you give to me and put what me can put together and give back to the needy at the end of the month and not the greedy. As you see, I have a little adapter program where I give back to the needy some grocery. And I have 5 person on the list, but I only can afford to give 2 now. So the more the support come in, the more I can reach out. Alright, so I could jump into the video. Out here very windy, so you know listen. Because as foreign catch cold, we sneeze out here. Because it come like, you know, me ever she said to some bad thunderstorm must here there and through that out here look like it bleaky and windy. So I could get into it. Well, let me say one something else. When you hear who she say over there play it, that is one of them Confederate. But, oh, you're Confederate, where you cheer on so much. Find the time for you to play Bam Bam live that is going against you and saying things about you. Answer the question there. Oh, you're Confederate, over Facebook I play a next person live what is saying things bad about you. Remember, you're Confederate that, you know. But it's still, when we come out here and play Uno speaking of this such woman, you hear no excuse? We don't like such woman. Because if we didn't like such woman, we wouldn't come out here playing video of people talking about she. Yes, I will continue to do it, to highlight Uno, to make the world know who Uno is, to make the world know how parasite and human being like Uno stay. I will continue to do it. I am not doing it to offend 99. I am not doing it like I am endorsing what Uno are saying to bring down 99. I am just doing it to highlight it to the people who don't get the opportunity to hear Uno, don't choose to get the opportunity to hear Uno, and the people that will now come over for the side, come go no likes, no views, nothing at all for to earn $1. To make them know what is going on around this woman and her name. But that's what I choose to say. So I am asking now, she is an affiliate of you and Uno crony. Or she a play another video from when I say somebody from over the side here pertaining to you. I mean, here you come and say nothing bad. You hear what I say? You hear she a play it over there. So make it make sense when you come over here and talk about we will play Uno over here. With what Uno a try to say. We not to play Uno. Because that Uno want, we not to. We are going to continue to highlight Uno. One thing you always hear. That's all I worry you. See? Social media money. I know what you think about, but all you do is talk about it. But man say, you just monetize, you have $500 already in your account. And want somebody bless you with $300. So man say, I know your views geared at $300 there. Super chat different from when your watch hours, you know, give you a payout, you know, where you get ads for your videos, you know. So when you are going to come and talk about you got a brag, say you got 500 already, you just monetize. It no matter when you monetize. You can monetize in a 2 week and make all 1 month pay bill because of the support where you get. All the while you come out here with some like a cheap talk. You got $500 already, you just monetize. And you see they come and say one somebody send you $300 and I must cash up, not cash up, I'm pretty scream that. And I like you tell. So more say a pretty scream that more sound like a cash up you get the $300 in. So all you got to talk about, cause me never see you get more than 20 layer. The biggest money you ever get in a pretty scream. A Pastor Miller send you it. When he send you the $50. I never see you get nothing past that yet. Never. For all the people them where you claim to say you're having high places and behind closed door and rich, your friend them are rich. Why your friend them don't support you when you're on live? Me no know, me ask you, them don't support you. Because if your friend them rich so and we out here I deal with you or we are deal with you, them supposed to use for them richness to shut we up. Make we can't talk certain things. When you come live, them supposed to have done so the place. Dark up your scream. You understand? When we look, we're supposed to have a pretty scream over pretty scream over pretty scream. Some 100 and 200 and 300 and 500. We could say, yes, Curly have it around there now. But we not see that. Look, who send you the biggest money me ever see you getting a pretty scream? A man where you cuss out. A man where reach out to you in your down times and give you $1,000 where you're so surprised. That you can't believe say one somebody you give $1,000 whether them get it through collection or what, but you can't believe say one somebody or one organization take up $1,000 give you because you're not a celebrity. Cause if you really was a celebrity, you getting $1,000 from Pastor Miller, you wouldn't be surprised. Cause you don't know so your celebrity status make you get this, but you were so surprised. Who tell if I water and if I dare drop out all your eye, the where your emotion take you over seeing that you getting $1,000 in a time like that. When they drop on your face. So you get a little $100, you come and boast like say boy is the support of the people. Why you gone $500 upon a platform that just monetize. That the channel they have not like a redeem yet. So you have a right to come out here come declare so I just want somebody send you $300. Not your expense, not your expense, remember that. So you can't talk about me. My meals pay for 3 times a day. If somebody, if somebody even eat chicken back, tin mackerel, or chicken fat, and only 1 time a day them can eat, and I feed them expense, them more than you. If somebody live in one room, where when you look through it, you think a ear vent. Big amount of nail hole in the zinc them. And I feed them place, them will live better than you. Because you know the good thing about it, the chicken fat, the chicken back, the tin mackerel that feed them expense. The place where them live in where them look through the ceiling like a ear vent in the zinc them. The thing about it, I feed them place, nobody can put them out. Nobody can pass and them here say them have to go. You have to be living this life and hoping that this day will never come. Although you know it's a day will have to come. Because you wouldn't mind living this life all the day of your life. You wouldn't mind living this day. So people, for many of you who were on this video, when you hear the phone ring a while ago, somebody have to pass. There's a message just coming to my phone where I get to understand say, me shit bracha has written another letter to the city council. Well, I don't know how the letter has been exposed. See it here. I don't know how it's exposed to the public. I don't know how authentic it is. I only know me love speak off of facts. Me not like come out here come speak off of fiction. But if this is anything genuine to go off of, I go and just read it. This is a letter after Saturday where the jerk fest go on. Daniel Brownie, president of the Mount Vernon City Council. A couple weeks ago, you sent me an email which stated that due to the many allegations concerning Dana Go that she would not be honored by the City Council at the Jerk Fest or at the other event held in Mount Vernon. So what exactly took place today, madam? So a criminal from Jamaica comes to America and you award her for what exactly? Are you aware, as the president of the Mount Vernon City Council, that yourself and sitting council member have a duty to uphold, and that by your action today you went against the very constitution of this country which you are supposed to uphold? Do you realize that yourself and sitting council member are paid by the taxpayers of Mount Vernon and not Donegal, but you are not a member of Mount Vernon? So you are not paying any tax in Mount Vernon. So you have so much say. Are you also aware that as a government official yourself and other sitting council members can be taken to court against this grave act that you display today? Okay. Like on you really want to issue, why don't challenge the city council? On you really want something out of this? Challenge the city council. Carry the city council to court. I sure know they will have to defend themselves. So, with you are only carrying the city council to court, and they will have to defend themselves into court, you will get the opportunity. If you come with no evidence, we can't know we are stopping you from 5 years now. If you come with all the evidence that you don't have. So we get the evidence now, because one thing for sure, me know America supposed to have a law, public mischief and all these things. Away from defamation of characters and all these things that would have brought against you, for you to be a defendant of. Because, as me say, because I sure know the city council will have to defend themselves. And in defending themselves, you have to come out with proof and evidence now, for you not dropping a one huge hole. But then again, do you people properly organize with all the signature that has been signed and these letters that you claim to say you are the head for Mishit Bracha? Do these people willing to stand with you as the head signer to come out of them pocket financially to support you getting lawyer? Oh, your law firm will work for free. Okay. But as me I say, this is a great opportunity for you, man. Yeah, man, make I read back the part there again. Are you also aware that as a government official yourself and other sitting council members can be taken to court against the grave act that you display today? Go ahead, me shit. Take your fool organizing team or body or one-on-one call on yourself and take the city council to court. Probably this is the start of somewhere when you do that. You know we get somewhere. But at one place me know you're going to get. Right at the edge of the deep hole you're supposed to drop down, you know. You know, continue. Dig the hole for the final destination. Here, continue. Let's get back to regular programming.
7 days a week, me wake up a morning time, me have breakfast. See me lunch here, me choose lunch. So, lettuce and tuna. Me not even
all
friends.
the days that you were living, all the Marriott hotel where you both say you go, you never used to live this life yet.
Nobody a cuss me, me a teen a chin. And
You never even 1 or 2 week come out here come brag during the time of your uptime. Going to the Marriott, going here and cruise and live this lifestyle that you come out here and boast about 3 meals a day and the quality of meals that you're eating. But now you live on that next man expense. You hear you're bragging a boss? And as I said earlier, the man we are named tin mackerel, sardine, chicken back fat, chicken back. With a fee money, fee expense, he might live far better than you. Because that simple mean, any day you lose this job you are for, God forbid, or if it pass, as what you no want and as what you say earlier, later down in this video. The lifestyle you cut. Because you cannot afford this lifestyle. So you are living on a next man high top. If him quint you drop off. And you feel so proud to boast about this. Like you feel like you can use this to brag for anybody who are any lesser than you. When this is not your expense. You're on the same category or even probably worse than me. If you ever find your own food.
you're not rich now, eh? You're a stagnant piece of shit house. Your bitch. Huh? You're not even, the way you is, you ugly like your neck down long like a garlic. I don't know where you favor. You're there on social media, call up me there because your husband don't want you. You say you married your husband down Jamaica, give you people on a warehouse, on a back road. Because you can't feel your foot done. So you can't
Where are you there?
your husband don't want you.
Where are you there?
So that's why you cock up on social media and lost off a girl front. I don't mean if you got my money page to make views. And that's what you do. Walk on social media. Eh? And lost off a girl front. Eh? Go pocket girl we have to send go off foreign go big diaper. You want some diaper, bitch? I can give you some.
How you know all of that?
My
As she
friend
tell you?
got a lot of diaper up there when I
Or the
use.
person where she beg tell you?
We can't send some with your daddy. Your lesion, batty daddy. We have that Jamaica life.
Send them go give your friend baby germs, they need them.
My bribe.
Your friend baby germs need them, send them go give him. So you look out for people, you not look out for your friend. You look out for your enemy, you not look out for your friend. Baby germs need them.
Them are two nice, beautiful, excellent. Because nobody now watch you. Me see your video pop up there on social media. 4 people are watch you. 4 people. And you out there cuss people for the girl. How nobody not put
Girl on your foot, man. Look on your foot, you see
How
girl.
many are give love a relationship? I follow back at me. How you give love a relationship and your man don't want you? Huh? How you over there talk about love a relationship and your man don't want you? And the foreign girl them come down and take on the man. Huh? Huh? You can't, huh? You hear talk about it? Me not call her name because me not give her no views. Just call her a dirty girl girl from Portmore. Don't put her and she have one short here. Anybody put her name by her, gonna get black.
But you still gonna come here initial though. So what the
The one them
sense?
come off, I'm gonna do it this weekend.
Me never need you to come in initial. So you start talking about Portmore, me know who you are talking.
One dirty bleach out skin girl from a Portmore. We have short here. Her name start with B.
That make it even rather worse. Everybody know who you're talking.
No noise. Anybody put her name over your Freddy, block them. Permanently block them. Give me, anybody put her name over your who know me at all. Don't touch, no members don't touch it. Let me touch it because I don't think we can hide, block them. Only me alone can block a thing. Make it stay over there with our 4 people. Yeah, me go up, me pop, me say what I want, me say girl, I'll come off a pic off on Facebook. You know, since somebody now viewer. Yeah, what happened to you? Huh? It's not a house. You can write. Are you idiot? You have, you work in Jamaica. Okay, you work in Jamaica. You work in a government place. Me work in America all my life.
And now nothing.
Me forget.
And And nothing. You soon you should come and brag about $1 million. You know soon here. You work in America for all your life and you don't have nothing. All you can come boast about is $1 million Jamaican dollar. You should have boast about $1 million US dollar. Who you to? Oh, you know the woman, bro. You go like you know the people them lifestyle every day. You come like a shit house. So if you nobody, why you pass over there? If you know nobody, why you pass over there? Because you have been entertained by her. What kind of land, house, and money man see at all nobody can walk? At least Bam Bam husband buy her a house and not treat her good. She have a house. We all see her cock up all about tonight and night time. We don't see her cock up. Even wish for you then know where you own. You can't cock up in there as you have a mind. You see she can't cock up in a fair when she have a mind. Whether the man the round side, upside, downside, in the round there. Anywhere in there, she finds somewhere where she can cock up and in there when they comfortable and hold him rest. Are in a film place a whole film rest where you supposed to be live with, but yet still you have also a room for yourself, but you can't go do it Bam Bam do. You can't go elsewhere go get comfortable and cock up. So you see the difference with being independent? You're not living independent. You're living on a restriction. And the restriction where you live under, which part you live, and if you come and brag about 3 meals a day, how much you pay for rent a month time and whatsoever. Eh? You come like someone who are living in some abusive relationship, but two them have credit card and bank card can go draw money and 4 or 5 car in a car porch and them can drive out, but the money can drive go to supermarket and market. Or go to school for the kids them. Anywhere else them drive go a problem. Them have all these things to them comfort. But the main thing where them not have, them not comfortable in themselves. Because them under restriction. Are you this? 15,000 a month for rent, not your pocket. 3 meals a day, not your pocket. Big spacious mansion, not your expense. But you come a boss and you can't cock up in there. Look at it. Hours a night you have to come out a your house where you say you're in. Go in a your van in a car park, go to karaoke where you do best. Bam Bam want to keep karaoke, she can't keep it in her house. Veranda, anywhere she want to go. She have multiple places can choose from. Me myself, me want to keep karaoke, me can't keep it. When me ready, me can go for my house top. Me can go anywhere in my yard. In my house. In my fall cub. That is independent. We not on a restriction. So why be eating 3 meals a day and living somewhere where a 15,000 US a month for your rent and you're uncomfortable? You can't do as you have a mind. If you want fart, you have to wonder if the fart stink. Because you don't want to do it and disturb the people them nose. If you go on your phone and you see one little joke and you want to laugh, you can't laugh. You have to stifle the laugh. Because you're under restriction. And that you come and boast about them the type of living there. Where you go, you man? Boy, you have land, house and this. What you have?
Let me make it clear.
Yeah.
On my job.
Yeah.
For the time being. And me not me, Marcia Blood Clot Campbell. Me nah go out.
Oh no, listen now. She a go confess. See, all these times when she a talk about she rent place and she have place and she have her place lock up and where I wanna hear me a question, how the hell you fi have a place lock up? And every time you get a week off and you have to drive to a first my question, why would you want to rent somewhere outside of New York or close to New York? Where you go party on a weekend or go see a man forget your dicky on a weekend. You'd have to rent somebody somewhere close to this. So when my weekend off, I'm go so boom, I'm go there so and you want to go there so go take your dicky you can't go and you go your party you can't go there so. But me a question, oh you rent somewhere not one day for your day off or your weekend off, we can see you go there so go look and open up the place, make the breeze go through it and all them sitting there. You know always hear me a question that you know? The same place where she said they near our smallest storage where she have. Me question where the furniture them, oh we can't see the furniture them where you go buy. Cause she claimed to say at one time the furniture them in her house. She tell you what kind of bed she sleep on. Then she go come back come tell you say the bed them that the furniture them that the furniture's place. But you come now. And finally I confess say, you don't live nowhere but which part you there. You don't listen keenly, you know. Listen keenly and me say so. You don't know me not spread false news and propaganda. If me not sure me say allegedly I come tell you say me don't know if it goes so but me hear a little something I go tell you no. Alright.
Other apartments. Until this job over, or when this client dead. Let me make it clear. Me not going nowhere, but paying no landlord, no $2,000, not no 1,600, no 17,000, because God already provide a job for me, where my job provide a place for me. So who don't like it, go and suck your mother, because I have responsibility, and me sign a contract to live with the gentleman and take care of him until them say they don't want my service no more, or until God say we take a last breath of body. I am not going nowhere. Not even a word.
So, people, with all the me did I say, and other people did I say, what difference you so now she say? All the question where we did I ask her, based on where she come out here, come put out here, And we are questioning her. Why you don't do this? Why we can't see this? Why, if so be the case, why this, why that? What different now that you come and I confess from where we didn't ask the questions? Eh? What difference? Tell you about you, you can't lie enough for a short period of time, but for how long? Because it's either you are going to expose on yourself or we are going to find out on a lie.
Come on social media and say me live in a old people home. Yes. A nice pretty one. The most expensive one.
You could have a nice pretty one for yourself, so
Renting here up to 20,000.
people place you want both about.
So let me make it clear. Let me make it clear. The people them. At least me not leave. Hold on there. Don't get up. Don't live in a no ghetto. And I don't have to hear no gunfire. I don't have to hear no corrosion. And I don't have to hear nobody. If you have a problem.
Marcia, me can't bet you any money. 1, 3/4 of the ghetto them is not like the ghetto of 20 years, 25 years. The rich people them in a them upscale community now have nothing upon most of the house them in the ghetto right now. The only thing them have over we is because I get to the value of the land. But when you talk about the house itself, them not have nothing upon we, Marcia. Marcia, I better you live in a gully. You could have probably have a talk. You come and talk about ghetto. If you live in a gully, you better you have than to live on people expense. You gotta talk about, you know, at least you're not living in a ghetto where a gunshot of fire. Which part in this world where gunshot no fire? Must say heaven alone. You tell me which part no gunshot no fire. Everywhere you go gunshot fire. It's just that it might fire in the ghetto, you might not hear it. Just like how when even some parishes like called Portland, you have a couple parish where crime rate is very low. Especially murder rate, it is very low. When at the end of the year you might hear to the parish they have like 10 or so murders, 5 murders. You understand? And when you check a Kingston, probably a Clarendon, a Montego Bay, you have 80, 100, 70. So the rate might be lower, but everywhere you go, gunshot possible for fire. So what you say? You always try to degrade ghetto, and you don't even live in a gully. You don't have nothing for yourself to come degrade ghetto. A be mansion in a ghetto right now. Be a mansion where only no want to see. Because you don't want the ghetto to be ghetto all the day at life. You don't want the youth them born in the slum. To stay in the slum. You don't want them elevate out of the slum. I don't want them elevate out of the slum. And when them elevate out of the slum, them elevate the slum itself. Because you don't want the slum to be the slum. Because people like you want to always come out here and look down upon we, the ghetto youths, in the slum and the slum. So I don't want no elevation by the youths in the slum for the youth them elevate the slum itself. Because every day when you come and talk about ghetto, 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 what kind of life you live better than ghetto people? You not live no life. Even the girl them down a 2 mile back to Riverton, we have them red floor. We still I use red oak and dye. Or red liquid polish and mix with dye. I live better life than you. Because 1, when you go in them the girl the house, spanking clean. The room where they might live in might no proper, but it clean. And when you look on them furniture, clean. Comparing to you, we live in America for much years and have your things and I work for 40 odd years. And have no achievement. All them girls are better than you. But every day you come out here going like you don't want to downplay ghetto and ghetto youths.
Which part may live? Come
You will come out when the time
If you have
comes.
a problem, if you have a problem which part me live, come take me out of this Ross mansion here, where God give me. Come take me out there. If you think your blood clot bad, come take me out of here.
God give you how much land on a country, you know, no mansion down there, the people and property you want to own.
If you think,
Look how much land God give you a country, you know, build a mansion for none of it. But you want to own the people. Already make you want already done, your love. Your love ready done.
every day, when you come up on this Ross, I talk about living job. Me a single woman. I can do whatever I want to do. God bless me with a work. You know how much I wouldn't want this Ross work and I can't get it? Me have a work where me can work any amount of time I want and come off and take and give somebody else. And me bless somebody else. If it is greedy, what are the... So you tell me now. Then what is the problem? Now see wherever you then that's how you go. Eh? You don't want you what you do? Run home to man. And then most money. What's the sense? Me not coming down from my job until me have so much about.
All them a big life when you that talk about and say you live.
I feel like it, you have to wait for me.
Oh, everything changed now. Everything changed just in a one video. You flip-flopper, you. You flip-flopper. Move. Be a cap on a cap. Be a cap on a cap. Yap. You don't have mouth to chat.
But thank you, Jesus, in the box. So you tell me no. Then which one are we? An idiot. That me a Ross idiot. You tell me now. So you have to tell me so because of Facebook. Me must run home. The other day, I rented a 2-bedroom apartment. And yes,
Here
I
lie
was going to
again.
go.
Here the lie again.
My dear father said, Marcia, don't let nobody on social media run you up for your work. My sister them said don't get no place. My furniture them they right away more Father God. Them say when you're ready come for it, Miss Campbell. Don't worry about it. And if them call me and tell me say
One day, she rent a 2-bedroom. And her sister and her baby father tell her all this. So she did rent the 2-bedroom. So she can't stand take back her money. So what about the one where you did rent before, where you say lock up, where then near your smallest storage of 4? Eh? What about your loft that you talk about that you also have? Eh? Them say cock mouth kill cock. And you really cock for choke or cock a higher name.
get the furniture them, all me have to do is put them in the storage that I have. Because when I look at it,
Over 4 months now she pay for furniture, you know.
$1,800 and I'm not going home. Why should I go home? Into an apartment by myself when me can't save up my money and get one of a condo in the future.
Oh my
I must be up on a living job with my responsibility and go home and give one landlord $1,800 cause nice place me not get. For one reason, my friend named me as a Freddy them.
And when she get wise. She only get wise when time she want, you know, justify certain things. Why should she be paying $800 when she can stay right here, so? And save that money and buy one little condo for herself. Now she say one say she don't want nothing. She don't want a house. She don't want nowhere to buy. Look at I nearly catch hiccup. You only say things to justify yourself, Curly. All of a sudden you want to save money now for buy a condo. So all these years in America, you just say, hey, me tell you, you know. You try make one ratty giant step right here so in a social media, you see, man. If you try start, make up for the years where you lost. We see if you can prepare your retirement. Me tell you, you know. Me see it. At your retirement, you try. If you get you know and say, make you try prepare something for put on where you can have When me you come out and talk about charity and you go register charity, all these years you do charity, you never think about registering charity. But when you come out every day and fight against another woman, where you ask how did I run charity and it never register. You understand? Because you say that I run charity and it never register. All of a sudden now you want to register charity at this age and time. Because what? You're in a mad rush to thief people money. Start planning late for your retirement because them say it never late for your shower rain. You hear where you want condo and all these things. You start to go sell back sheet. And everything for earn $1. And this is one of the reasons why you start a second channel also. Couple months on this, you know, probably a month time from this, you know, like how this monetizing when you start to get pay feet, you know. Probably a month time from this when you see the big channel come back. Me can't tell you say for the rest of the year, you know, sit down and not see the big channel appear back. And you got here say she did appeal and she did this and she did that. And you know, YouTube finally get her back. You know what chance see? Take it as me tell you now. The big channel, now that this channel monetized, you go and see. Big channel are gonna return soon.
All of them. I'm me, living in one nice place like this. Me have one a big room, can hold 2 king size bedroom, walk-in closet. And me can go anywhere I want to go. Pack my suitcase and go anywhere I want to go. And me now for make blood clot Satan come go intimidate me go get place. If you got proof too, no? Send me a place, go and suck on the mother. I'm gonna stay right here until when my boss said don't need me no more. Then I go about my business. And I'll be starting up my sheep business. I'll be selling my sheep.
Right now you wouldn't mind I live 10 more
You
years.
got one storage right up there, so what me ask to one apartment down there, so I mean I think I said me could have rent it.
Right now you wouldn't mind I live 10 more years. Every day you go to your bed at night and you something to pray for I live 10 more years.
Into a 12-hour. Me not get no blood cut apartment. I live by myself until me find a man.
Because the free mentality where you have, me know you're supposed to pray for I live 10 more years.
Do not get, if you don't have one position like me, put on a raw something in a storage. Want to find one nice to come on, you not can go live with a rent, then it turns into a 12-hour case.
But enough how we did a question this also, you know, how the hell you rent place and have place and still have your things, them, your clothes and everything in a storage same way. If you even have the things them where you sell, the old rotten things them where dry rotten after 4 or 5 years now. Where rat and roach sleep out and piss out and feces out. We can't understand. But like all your clothes, you buy your clothes, them and you buy certain things. When them left out of your van, them not left going to them the place where you say you rent. Them left gone as storage. And from there so people know say you're a liar, you know. Because me can't have a house. We're supposed to house my thing them. I mean buy my things them, have them on my workplace, to my van, from my van to my workplace, to them a pile up on me and me carry them gone as storage. So what I'm to the property where me rent? What I'm to the house where me rent? And from there so everybody knows say you don't have no way. It's from your workplace to your van to your storage. Or probably to the garbage bin. We know a long time say you're a liar. You never have to come expose yourself here. So we did already know that. But you just give the confirmation now. Say you never have nowhere rent all along. And the next thing left for you come confess about is the furniture them. Because we know you don't pay for no furniture neither. You know how long you come out and come tell you say your furniture them cost your bed cost $5,000 odd from Dana go foreign. And Dana depend on her 1 year now. And you want to tell me say Raymar have them now wish by the furniture place name have them the furniture for 1 year now are keeping a storage to you? Or who you telling that? Eh?
Then you tell me look how much years me I live by
Because
myself.
Dana bed didn't make she come out here come chat them foolishness there now.
And me surrounded by
Because she
people.
had tried to size
How
up.
God give me.
Say a dear bed she buy when Dana did buy cheap bed. So 1 year now.
Very, very blessed on him in our axe, you know. Oh, Tyler. The only reason why they come here go and tell the people is just because, you know, one of the reasons why they come here try to put me down in this work, in this field. And them know say I ain't
You put down
too.
yourself and
It's
you're too
just
light.
because, me just don't wash my hair. It's just because them say me bossy. But me bossy, I won't care work me do all my life, a nursing job. I me do all my life, I'm still bossy same way.
Where the $1 million there, you not talk about it. Or you talk already, I'm in the ear.
I do all the charity work them at Jamaica. I
think I yes, she got talk about the $1 million.
I hit me do. I hit me can't go to Jamaica go the other day go down go keep a night go cook out and same thing, right? That's how put that. Like on a piece of on can't come back and shield me. But when time on I keep nothing. I don't have nothing. I'm the same money. I'm the same money me I spend about big frock. I got event. And I go places. And I make sure I say me roll up. I will see home care money. I don't want to go buy big fish for them. And big lobster. I'm coming out with a big fish fry and a big party. And buy champagne. See home care. Yeah. All them people where you see I come in, I got that dance hall. And what kind of work it they do? Eh? Thank you very much. Any money that they give the people, it is going towards We Care Jamaica charity.
Yeah, man. How the Jamaican them can do? You're not a teacher, no engineer, no lawyer, no doctor.
That I've been doing. You know, for all my life.
Come like you said the part when I talk about the money, you know, the $1 million I'm in a ear. Must see that part when you see that part. I want the thunderstorm take you away.
Come on, you want to give me.
Because you always want thunderstorm to take a people. You may want a thunderstorm to take away. I want to catch up on the highway.
Woman come across CJ and CJ don't even on social media. Oh, you can't come. Oh, you can't come.
When you cuss Dana boy and my pitney them they on social media. When you talk about Dana boy in the army and body bag and all them sitting there. You mean a phone? People come like she talk about the $1 million which she have in her account at Jamaica and not more than when something a pass and I get to hear it. How much she have $1 million Jamaica? $1 million Jamaica for 40 years in America money that? That is like 7,000 Jamaica US dollar. That's how a rebel pay if you do her knows what they. $7,000. That's how a rebel pay if you do her knows. And I think she said nothing with the plane fare never in it. Travel expense never in that. And the only reason why she pay less is because them ask her for a promo because them realize that she's a celebrity. You could have gone, me never see you go nowhere you go do nothing. Not even when you go do your nails them. Look at your nails them. Every time you go, be a cheap place you go. Your nails them ever broke off within 2-3 days. And then you want to blame the people them. But what you pay for what you get. Me never hear them the people that ask if you no promo yet. And see there, Rebel says she go do her nose and because them want promo from her so she pay less. And that's 7,000 where you come and brag about say you have in a Jamaica account. 40 years in America, you have about $1 million. The bag juice you them down a town. The man them will wipe car glass. The man them will sell star and a push car. Could have all more than that in our account right now. Where you come about you have $1 million Jamaica. Could you too? Eh? The lowest income person in Jamaica we have ambition. Supposed to have that or more in our account stash way. And that you come about. I think you come boast but you have one nice 30-20 million. If I even that, it would have sound better. For the time where you spend in America. The bag juice man, the hand man, the star vendor, the windscreen wiper. That's what you have boast about. Any one of them will have good ambition because one thing I'll do, you see them people that they make money and once them have ambition, them know how to turn them money. Them show them little partner and them this and them that and them invest them money. The real ambitious one them. Not the one them just want to go buy one boot or one shoes or sitting. The one them want to reach somewhere in a life. So you having $1 million Jamaica in a bank out here is nothing at all. That is like 7,000 little bit US dollars. That's all you can have for over 48 years. And I bet you don't have 10,000 US dollar in our account America. Which is another $1.5 million equivalent. You don't have that. So now come out here, come size up with nobody and talk about get to and this and that. Because we're better off than you. Gully side, me live pan and me comfortable. If me go in and me fall could go sleep right now, me comfortable. And I'm telling you all the while and tell you. My fall cup can turn into a nice 2-bedroom 10 by 10. One can be 12, the side can be a 12 by 12. That one in the part then in the middle can be a 10 by 10. And then the next side down the south, because it's a 3 apartment fall cup, can turn into the bathroom and kitchen. So how you feel live better than me? This side of the house you lock up nobody not in there. My mother not there, I never gone foreign. So what you say? Eh? Who you to? Speak my mind, people. Bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. We come to the end of another video. Want to know what they do? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch it ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV on YouTube and follow me on TikTok Life is a Mission TV. Support the merge on the website of charmsandtrends.shop. When you support the merge, you help me to support the needy and not the greedy. You understand? Continue to support so I can continue to help these people that I help a month in time by giving back some grocery. And if you want to send me a drink, no charity, you want to send me a gift, water or my snow mint, when you send this money to buy the water, I take it and make up towards giving the needy. So if you want to reach out, 221-9789, 221, or should I say 876-221-9789, because now you have to get the ear code, you know, because like one time, I'm not going to chat people a bike, and like one time when we have one ear code, or two ear code we have now. So my one is 876-221-9789. Reach out to me if you want to give me, not a charity, and then we take it from there if you want to send it to remittance, or if you have Cash App or Zelle. The Zelle is not pinned, but the Cash App pin, $ Charms and Trends. So you can just reach out. Alright? And just support the merge on the website of charmsandtrends.shop. Alright? That's how I will continue and can continue to assist the needy and not the greedy. I have 5 people on the list and I only can afford 2 for now. But this month I want to add Raymond on the list. Alright? And people, as you hear in the previous video, I don't know yet. I am planning to give back like 3 basic school kids school fee, instead of giving back books this week, this term. Last term I give back some exercise book and pencils. Charms and Trend did reach out and give me some gift, and I also give it back to them, some schoolers and stuff like that. But this, you know, just to ease a little pressure off of me, I prefer just take 3 school fee and go and pay it by myself instead of give the parents, because the parents don't want to come into video. But as you have riot out the road and them want going to CVM, TV, camera and TVJ, figure demonstrate for criminals, them ready. But just come up front and say a few words and a thank you for, you know, some form of help that they has received pertaining to them kids, them don't want that. So I will make that deterrence in helping some of these parents who probably, you know, I would not help my parents who can balance themselves. We probably have a father help maintain and plus themselves. We want to give back same way as we say the motto, needy, not greedy. So you have some parents out there who are trying to make ends meet to send them kids go to school. Whether them have father cannot work, the little hustling with the father they can back up plus fear hustling. So we know they are needy. So we want to reach out to those people, not the people who can balance themselves. Alright? So we are looking on that. 3 somebody. So as I say, the numbers are there. We don't want to come on board, but it's not a charity. But the gift, when that gift come to me, that's what I will do with it. Alright? What I want to do, I want to take the time out to check about 2 basic schools in and around the community, check what the school fee is like. So if I do some go, maybe know exactly where me is. And I know my A team ready for assist. A long time my A team run out certain way. So I know in the summer, yeah, if I this me I go do, I know my A team ready. Plus the little random people, them A team I know themselves. I don't like when the name call, you know. So I not call no name. One time I speak that way, I not go call no name. But when I give me random big up, I can call no name, because then can pinpoint and say I own that and I you that. Alright? Anyway, bless up on yourself until them time they will not check what we are going to do. But I feel like I did something there. If I have a 3 basic school fee this term, I don't think me in the book and pencil business this term. Alright? But we know where I go on. Peace out.